And I got me a walking buddy with me. This is Sus. Her name is Tremaine.
Hey y'all.
So, alright y'all, so the nails is nailing, okay? My camera is dead, but good morning you guys. I'm finna go on a workout this morning and I'll check back in with y'all when I come back. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now I made it to the beach. Well, I'm sorry, I made it to the beach. Well, y'all see I made it to the beach, but I decided to take the kids. They ain't have no school today. Today, Monday, the 20th, I think. Yeah, today, Monday, February 20th. And I brought the kids out here to the beach. After I did my workout earlier, I did upload it. Oh, let me make my thumbnail. I gotta make a thumbnail for the video that I just uploaded today.
I'm gonna go get a funnel cake. It's a truck down there. We got funnel cakes.
So y'all make sure y'all go check that out. Huh?
You wanna share some funnel cake?
No, I'm on a diet. I am.
You just ate a pot pie. There's so many carbs in that I can't explain.
No, that's flaky dust.
Be for real.
Let me make a thumbnail. I'll check back in with you guys.
It was somewhere.
Alright. I'ma go. Yeah. Bro, it's already sandy. Look hot.
I'm gonna go see if I can go get a funnel cake.
Boy, if you say something about a funnel cake one more time. Cause Kobe back there smoking, I'm trying to do what he do. I'm starting my vlog off like this, walking, and I got me a walking buddy with me. This is Sus. Her name is Tremaine.
Hey y'all.
So this is how I'm starting today's vlog. On my walk. It's so breezy out. No, for real. Keita was like, you tired? I said no, because yesterday I walked, I ran, I tried to run up as much as I can.
Yeah.
Till I got tired.
Oh, I know your thighs felt that.
Then I walk, and then going down, I just run. Because the down, I look a mess. I'm so sweaty. But I really enjoyed my workout. I have worked out for the last 3 days. Sunday, Monday, today is Tuesday. And I'm going working out again tomorrow. I'm going to try to do this whole week with working out because, yeah, this weight got to go. And I got a trip. I got 2 island destinations I'm going to in May. And I got to get this fucking weight off of me. But I know I haven't really vlogged today.
I just showed you guys that I was walking. That's it. But I did want to come on camera to at least close off today's vlog. And just to fill you guys in with my weight loss journey, what I'm trying. It's a hard task, it really is, but I gotta stay on my own neck this year, because it's like, you know how you be on people's necks, because I be on people's necks, but now I'm on my own neck, because I'm always saying what I want to do and I know I can do it. I just don't do it because the laziness get the best of me. And it's like, you know, but I've really been trying to stay consistent with working out, consistent with you guys, making sure I'm pushing out content for you guys. I've been editing more, you know. I'm just trying to stay consistent, okay? Like, it's hard, but like I said, I'm on my own neck. Like, I can't play with me no more. Like, I've been sleeping on myself for a very, 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 very long time. Yeah. And before I went working out, I treated myself to some shoes. To 2 pairs of shoes. I can't wait till I move, because I'm running out of space. Like, I'm running out of space. I don't have no space for my shoes, for my clothes. Like, I'm running out of space. But I got these. Ooh, fire. I know. I got these pink dunks. Pink and white dunks. Let me see what it says on the box, actually. These are, it just say white at the fuchsia. You don't really got no name for them. Look now, that's where you need to be going.
What you talking about?
Yeah, detail off. And then I got these.
Oh, those are the ones that she was talking about the other day.
Yeah. And then they be having some shit. Let me see Keita's shoes. And Keita got these.
He always sitting outside your door.
Yeah, because he know he can't come in like that. He got to be welcomed in here. But them kids, he always, the cat is so weird. He be sleep in them kids, them clothes drawers, and they're drawn because they keep they dresser drawer open, and the cat be in there sleep. But yeah, that's what I treated myself to today, because I really wanted them blue shoes that I just showed you guys, the blue and yellow ones, when I was there Sunday, and I just went and got them today. So yeah, let me take a shower, because y'all already know I went working out. I think I got my buddy, I think my walking buddy. Hopefully Tremaine don't flaw me out. That's my good sis. Like, me and sis go way back. Actually, sis was in the video and on the vlog where when I was saying something about fighting. That vlog right there. Oh shit, my phone ring. Hold on. But like I was saying, sis was in that vlog. That's my sis. Like, me and her go way back. I'm talking about way back. And we just don't be on that. Like, we don't be on that drama shit. And but yeah, let me go take a shower, get up out these clothes. If I don't come back to the camera tonight, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Because definitely tomorrow, because I'm taking you guys with me, because I want to get a new set of nails. I'm taking these off, and I'm gonna try something new. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you guys what I'm getting, because I can actually vlog her doing my nails, because that's my good sister. But I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm sitting here. I just finished a client. It was a touch-up or whatever, but I'm sitting here trying to take my nails off because I have a nail appointment at I have another appointment at 10 o'clock. So I'm trying to get these nails off. Cause baby, day is on here, honey. And I ain't got to go far because my nail appointment is in the same building as me. That might be her coming up the stairs.
Child, it's me again.
What happened?
I left my coffee.
Oh.
Girl, I can't go without the coffee. This is a must.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. She getting it together. I'm all up in your video. Sorry, boo.
I'm trying to take this. Y'all the nail be nailing, honey. This definitely gonna get cut off. Y'all, I ain't gonna tell y'all what kind of nails I'm gonna try. Y'all just gonna see the process, okay? Cause I'm stepping out of my comfort zone with these nails. I'm always doing the same old thing. Either I have these 2 fingers long with the coffin and the stiletto, or I'm doing short nails. But I want to try something different. It's a little ghetto, but I want to try it. Bear with me. Basically, I'm taking a nail and I'm going up under. And that shit hurt. It's just pressure, but take it off. The boss.
Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Baby, you could show me things. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Later, you could show me things. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it?
But I do know one thing, no. When they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, no. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll take my drug ass on that runway, on this runway. But I do know one thing, no. When they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday.
The nails is done, honey. I'm gonna go get me and her something to eat. You know, we work in the same building. Hello. All right, y'all. So the nails is nailing. Okay. I tried the duck nails, y'all. What y'all think? Do y'all like them? That's what the other hand look like. I don't know if I will be able to work with these because they kind of long. And I normally do how y'all see, how y'all saw my nails. I normally do short nails, so I'm trying something. Hopefully I can work with these, because I already told Gabby, I said I'll probably be calling you bitch to cut these bitches down, because I know I can't work with them. Let me not speak that I can work with them, because I refuse to. I want to try these out for a while. Like, I'm tired of doing the same. I've been doing the same set of nails for years, like years, and I'm tired of doing the same old thing. So yeah, hopefully I can work with these. But I'm gonna check back in with you guys. I'm gonna go get me and her something to eat. Yeah, and I still ain't get us no fucking tripod, no camera mount for the car. One day I'm gonna order it. I'm gonna reorder it. Just not today. But thank you. Y'all, this salad didn't stand a chance. I was fucking it up in the car. This is what I got left. I had got a club in a tub. This is what you say. Club in a tub, which is a number 8 from Jersey Mike's. It's a club sub. but I just wanted a salad. So you say in the tub. And it's ham, turkey, provolone cheese, crumbled up bacon, oregano, oil and vinegar. And I tell them to put me some mayonnaise in a little container and put more oil and vinegar in it and shake it up so the mayonnaise can like dissolve. Then pour it all over your salad. So good. Oh, and I had tomatoes too. And then the meat is rolled up. It's good to me. So I cannot text with these nails. Look at me. Just look. I can't text. Sister girl, this how I'm finna be. All in the bitch face. What happened? Yeah, I really am. I keep this stuff at the shop. I got so much stuff up here. But I told y'all I live up here. But when I eat, I have some toothbrushes, some plackers, of course some toothpaste, and some more plackers. Because I hate eating stuff. I have to do that all day. That is so annoying, y'all. It's so annoying. Nah, I really have to use that because my nails, I used to get like, you know, use my nails, but I don't know how. I can't use them no more. And then I have on my workout gear because I'm going working out when I leave work today. Which I should have just brought my damn my walking shoes with me. And I gotta go all the way back home. But I gotta go home anyway, so whatever. Lord, I thank you. My right hand is itching. I mean, money is coming in. And all I can say is, Lord, I thank you. Oh, and I'm going home this weekend, y'all. I'm going home so I can cook, so I can make another bag. Because the girls been wanting the hibachi, honey. They've been wanting the hibachi. And when I go home and cook hibachi, when I say they show mad love, I haven't cooked down there in a very long time, so I'm hoping I see a check. But I've been promoting myself, so yeah. But let me text my client and see if she can come now. Appointment is at 3, but let's see if we can get her in now. If she can't come now, I got another one, and I'm gonna text her if she can come now. Like when I have an early day, like when I don't have a lot of heads, I try to get my day done early because I don't be want to be up here all day and waiting. You know, my first head was at 9:30, but I asked her to come like, it was like 8 something. I came up early because I know I had a nail appointment. And it'd be so hard for me to even book. Oh, that man out there. Sorry if y'all hear the beating. It's a guy out there fixing on the building. But what the fuck was I just talking about? It'd be hard for me to book nail appointments with my friend because she be busy and booked too. So I was able to get an appointment with her today and forgot to block off. She was like, yes, I can come early. It take me about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm here waiting. So, boom, she's on her way. And I'm gonna start editing. I'm gonna just edit until she get here. And I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later.